Air Jordan 12 Retro Playoffs. Must cop, must cop, must cop. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Your boy messed around, pulled the trigger on Stockx on those playoffs. I couldn't take it, man. Look, ever since I found out they pushed the release date back to March, I said, man, I just couldn't take it. So I went on, pulled the trigger, size 12, my size, $450. It's a shoe that I always wanted, just like the cool gray 11s. I always wanted these. I always wanted the playoffs. Don't have them in the collection. So after sales tax, processing fee, and shipping, the total was $500. It came up to be $524.15. I had no regrets. It is what it is. When they come in, we're gonna do an unboxing and on foot review. So y'all stay tuned for that. Trey, what you think about your boy pulling the trigger on Stockx on the playoffs? Talk to me. Alright, you a goddamn fool, man. $500? But to keep it 100 with you, bro, ain't nothing wrong with buying what you want, especially if you can afford it. So ain't nothing wrong with it. It's a shoe that you always wanted. Like you say, the cool grays, you always wanted, so you got those resale. So I don't see nothing wrong with it. You got people that spent more money than that. Thousands of dollars on shoes. You only spent $500. You got it. And so the shoe hot. It's something that everybody gotta have in their collection if you're a fan of that shoe. I love it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Yeah. Well, your boy pulled the trigger because they hot to me. What say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Are y'all gonna get them? Or y'all gonna pass? Y'all let us know down there in the comment section below. Can't wait till they come in. No regrets. Playoffs. Woo! Man, I can't wait. We're gonna holler at y'all when they come in. Alright. Peace.